These are our rubber band buzzers. So let's step back, Annabelle. Hi, I'm Charles.
I'm Annabelle.
And today we're going to show you how we can make, with some common household items, these rubber band buzzy bees.
Mine actually had a bee on it.
Yep. All right. Now, let her rip. You go over your head. Why aren't you facing the camera? Ooh, that was close. Okay, we've got regular popsicle stick, what they call a jumbo craft stick, and then a giant craft stick is this one here. Now, we'll be using a rubber band. You want kind of a wide rubber band. I don't even know what size these are. They just came in a variety pack, but you want the kind of wider because that's what's going to create the vibration. Now, we also have yellow and black duct tape, and I've got some electrical tape. We might be able to just use the duct tape, but we're going to try to do the electrical tape. Then we got some scissors, some string. I've got some just yo-yo string, and some like cardstock, cereal box, whatever. This is pop-top cardboard, but that's what we'll use. So, one thing, we got to see how big our rubber band is going to be. I think these size sticks might work the best, so we'll try that. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wrap this electrical tape around and around and around. Wrap it so that it's, I don't know, about that thick. And then you have it on both ends. Now the reason for this is so when you stretch the rubber band over, it's got room to vibrate. I'll put a piece of this cardboard. We're basically going to have this fold over that, and we'll just tape that in place.
Okay.
Oh, what a mess.
Hey. That's a yo-yo string?
It's a yo-yo string. It's just an old yo-yo string, so I was going to replace it anyway. But I can make like a little slip knot. A slip hitch, I guess you'd call it. Over this end. And then, alright, now that we got our little rudder thing made, I'm going to jazz this up with some stripes.
Hey, don't forget about mine.
I'm not. How's that look?
Good.
Buzzy bee.
Buzzy bee. Can I spin it?
Do you like it? Alright, check this out. We got this. We'll be able to
Snip, snippy. Snip, snippy.
snip snippy this. And snip snippy this. And we'll fold it so that we'll fold it like that. So we're going to be on one side and a B on the other. Same width.
Is that cardstock?
This is cardstock. That looks cool, doesn't it? I think this one, I'm just going to stick a little bit there, like so.
Buzz, 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 buzz.
And a piece there, like so. And maybe
Shouldn't you like connect it right here?
that's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
All right, rubber band.
Okay.
All right, you could also experiment with the bigger craft sticks and multiple rubber bands. Like a drone thing happening. Anyway, I'm going to say I'm Charles, and you say I'm Annabelle, and I'll say please like and subscribe.
I'll say bye-bye.
Okay. All right, I'm Charles.
I'm Annabelle.
As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.